after tonight, we won't have to.
That's your wife?
That's my wife.
Well, I see who wears the chainmail in your family.
Some people like to look at the goblet as half empty. Me, I like to look at it as half full. We've gone from the bottom to the top, ladies. But we're not just an empire. We're a family. No. Everyone's got their cupcake? Cupcake? Good? Yes, Baba? Good. Oh, yeah, we have put away a lot of ogres. So why not away? Who cares? It's not a big deal. Doesn't matter to me. It's not like it's the end of the world.
Yep, this is Corey playing fetch with me.
Now that I think about it, the ogre who
Get it, Corey.
is Shrek. And if he shares a kiss with Fiona by sunrise, well, this is the
Oh my goodness, she's such a good doggy. She's such a good doggy. Get it, Corey.
But, as I was saying, I like to look at the goblet as half full. Yelling makes me so parched. Anyone care for some water? Wet your whistle?